Today I'm reviewing Incredible AI, an AI agent platform that claims to automate real business workflows by connecting with your apps, processing data, and executing tasks with minimal human input. And I'll explain whether it's worth using for business in 2025. Incredible AI has introduced products like Incredible Small 1.0 and Agent Max, which are designed to perform complex multi-step tasks across tools like email, CRM, project management, documents, and more, by executing hundreds of actions in parallel, reducing errors and making automation faster and more reliable than typical single-threaded models. They emphasize near-zero hallucination on data and strong integration with many apps so the agent can actually act rather than just generate text responses, which is what separates it from basic AI text tools. Some developers and businesses see value in building agents that handle scheduling, cross-platform updates, and data tasks without constant oversight. And the ability to plug Incredible system into existing stacks with familiar code and tool connectors is promising for real work. However, reviews from third-party sites are limited, and because Incredible's platform is relatively new, with research previews and evolving features, many real-world use cases are still being tested, and it may require technical knowledge to set up and maintain effectively. Additionally, general feedback on AI agents across industries shows that many tools can struggle with complex legacy systems or unpredictable workflows unless carefully guided. Overall, Incredible AI looks strong for businesses that need advanced automation and have technical resources to build integrations. But for smaller teams or for simple automation, it might feel complex or early stage compared to more mature workflow tools. Users should weigh the potential productivity gains against setup effort and be cautious about models that are still in early release.